I've got a new drone DJI Mini 4 Pro, and in this video I'm gonna unbox it and talk about it, so stay with me. Hi there, this is Imaneo. Welcome to my channel, and in this channel we talk about technical things, software engineering, Flutter, and recently I got interested in drones and I think it's a good hobby, and that's why I just purchased this DJI Mini 4 Pro. So I can maybe take some video shots from landscapes and publish in my YouTube channel, so please subscribe to watch them. And now I'm going to unbox it to see what do we have inside the box. And also I've got this memory disk. It's a simple micro SD, 512 gigabytes, and I'm gonna insert it into the drone that I got. So let's get started. There's a wrapper around it and I'm going to cut it using my cutter. Yeah. Okay, now I see something here, so I'm gonna rip it off. Yeah. There's a QR code here which said scan the QR code before first use. I'm gonna scan it later, and yeah, this is the bag that we have and nothing else. So the box is empty now. Yeah, let's open the bag to see what do we have inside it. Okay, there's something here. I'm gonna take a look at it later. Yeah, it said that accessories inside. So what do we have here? Okay, so this is the controller, and let me open it. Yeah, so there should be some handles here, and yeah, you need to detach them from here and insert it into the spots. Yeah, and the other one is here. Okay, yeah, and here we have the antenna. So it is very simple like this. Yeah, so this is the controller. As you know, there are two types of controllers. This one has display, but the other one doesn't have display, and you need to attach your phone. So there's a holder on top of it. You can put your phone here, and there's a cable that you need to connect it to your phone, and your phone is going to be the display. So we have drone, we have controller, and if you add another thing, so you need to take care of three devices that you have, so you need to charge them. And yeah, I just wanted to remove that, and now we have two devices, the controller and the drone. So that's it. And here we have two buttons that I'm not sure what they do. I think one of them changes the camera orientation from horizontal to vertical, and we have two things here, and this is for the camera for when you want to take a photo, and this is for recording. And it has two steps. If you can hear, I don't know if you hear or not, but yeah, the first step is to focus, so you can focus with your camera, and the second step just takes the screenshot or takes the photo from the drone. And yeah, also here we have the charger slot, so it is type C. And here we have a slot that I'm not sure what it is. Maybe it is some, I don't know, SIM card slot or something like that. Because I think the memory card should be inserted into the drone, and the drone is responsible to record the video, not here. But we will figure it out. Yeah. And here we have the batteries. So let me open it. Yeah, so here we have a battery hub. You can insert 3 batteries here, and let me take it out. Yeah, as you see, it is the battery that I mean, you can charge them all at once. I mean, in a single place, it's going to charge them one by one, and it's not going to charge them in parallel. And also, it does something that, for example, suppose that you have 3 batteries, and all of them have 1/3 of charge capacity, and it tries to transfer the battery to a single one. So, for example, it has 1/3, 1/3, 1/3, and it's going to transfer the charge of these 2 to the third one to have the full charge on a single battery. So this way you can insert your full battery to the drone. And yeah, so oh, it's cool. We have out. I think you can use it to, for example, charge your phone, or I think it works like a power bank. I'm not sure, but it seems like that it's work like a power bank. And the in is the input, so you need to use the Type-C to charge it. And the last part is the drone itself. Yeah, so I'm gonna let me open the zip here to have the accessories, and now we can get rid of the bag. Okay, now let's open the drone itself. Oh, very nice. Okay, so I think we need to remove this thing first. I think it is called propellers holder, and yeah, so we need to remove this one from here. And if you open it, yeah, so it is for when you want to store your drone. So it protects the propellers here, and it's better to lock it because it protects the damage from the propellers. And yeah, we have also something here, so I'm gonna open it. So it is the protector for our cameras and the sensors here and here. Now we need to open the legs, so it's going to go like this, and here is like this, and here and here. Yeah, so this is the drone that we have, and there are some sensors here on the bottom, and also there are something to be removed for the camera. Yeah, what does it say? Remove the foam and sticker before use. So I'm gonna remove it. Yeah, so here is the slot to insert the micro SD card. Here it said that charge to active the intelligent flight battery before using for the first time. I'm gonna take it out. And yeah, so here is also the battery that we have, the third battery, and it detaches like this. So you can put it on the battery hub like this, and here it charges all of them. And I'm gonna put it back inside here. Yeah, so there's an important thing about the Mini 4 Pro is that the camera works on the horizontal and also the vertical mode. So for example, if you want to post something in Instagram, you can rotate it to the vertically, so it uses all the pixels or all the resolution that is available. You don't need to crop your video. And yeah, so I'm going to open the micro SD card to insert it. Yeah, it says open from here, so let's try that. Yeah. I always end up like this to open the SD card, but there's no problem. And here we have the SD card. Okay, it's here. The point is that I chose SanDisk Extreme, and we also have Extreme Pro, and the point is that the transfer speed is different, and because it takes 4K videos, I chose this one to be able to record instantly. So there's not gonna be an issue for writing the or for storing the video inside it, and it supports the speed that this drone needs. And now let's insert it here this way, or yeah, it's like this. And yeah, also let's take a look at the accessories that we have here. Okay, we have a charging cable. It's Type-C on both ends, so like this. And we have propellers here. I mean, these are extra propellers, and maybe they are broken and you need to change them. So there are extra propellers that you can change. And also there is a screwdriver here to allow you open the propellers here. And yeah, as you see, it is a screw like this. It is very small, and this is the screwdriver to open this. And yeah, so we have also the USB cable that is USB-C on one end and normal USB on the other end. So these are two USBs that we have, and also I think there's a guideline or something like that here. What is it? Okay, this is the guidebook, and yeah, but we have two things that seems interesting here. I mean, more than two things. This is the QR code for editing app, and I don't know, it's like a sticker, but I don't know. And also there's a sticker here. I don't know what it is used for. And yeah, also we have some more stickers here. For example, DJI brand, and yeah, okay. So nothing special. Okay, so let me bring back the box here. I'm gonna show you something important. Yeah, the point is that DJI Mini 4 Pro is 249 grams. And why it is 249? It is because in some countries, I mean in most of the countries, there's a limitation for drones under 250 grams and more than 250 grams. So For more than 250 grams, you need to have a license, and there are some laws and restrictions, but it is okay to use without license. I mean, in some countries, in the Netherlands, I'm pretty sure that even if it is under 250 grams and it has a camera, you need to have the license. So yeah, that's why I just got my license. It is not a challenging or complicated thing. It is a theory exam, and it is called A1, A3 certificate. So you can do the online exam. It is around 40 questions that you need to answer 75% of them, and after that you can get the certificate. I mean, there are some knowledges that you need to know about the aerospace, aviation laws, and aircrafts. So you just need to learn some theory things. And for the next level, you need to have some exercises, and at the end you need to pass a practical exam to get the next certificate. I think the next one is A2. And yeah, so because it is small and it is lightweight, it is less dangerous in compared to the heavier ones. I mean, in my license A1, A3, I can fly up to 900 grams, but I chose this one because it is my first experience, and I just want to do it as a hobby and to take some videos from the landscape. And yeah, so I think we are done with this video. I'm gonna record some videos using my drone, and I'm gonna attach to this video, so you can watch this video to see what I have recorded. And yeah, so don't forget to hit the like button if you like the video, and subscribe the channel, and enjoy your day. See you. Bye.